DVP port cleaning and inspection. You need a 5mm or a 5.5 depending on which one to take out the screws to do the protective coating covers. Covers off, you got the two flanges that have your sensors. It'll be the same process top to bottom. For filming purposes, the bottom one's better, so we'll do it. You loosen it, it does, don't necessarily have to do the star pattern to get it off, but you'll have to use that for the torque specs when you get back on. So we'll begin taking this one off. Have the acetone on the rag. Make sure that brass ring stays in and stays seated. It's an expensive ring and we don't keep them on, so it'll have to be sent out. So be aware when you put it back on, it's fleshing and we don't crush it. Got that. Now when putting your sensors back in after you've cleaned your windows, make sure you spray up in the hole here. Make sure there's nothing that's deep in there. Brake clean, something that clears it out. Make sure you don't have any dirt trapped deep inside. Like I said, as you're going back in, make sure that this gold black brass ring, it's seated. That way you don't pinch it and because it'll be a bad day. So just kind of wiggle it back in. Now as you're putting the flange back on, there's a cut in the flange itself that lines up with the feed into the sensor. As you go back on, you can hand tight in these before you start getting ready for your torque wrench. The pattern for this one's not really important just when you're doing it because you're not going to start snugging anything. Once you get them all on, that's when you'll start your star pattern for your torque specs. So now that you got everything just hand tight snug, you start the process. Your first torque spec is 22 foot-pounds. You'll start as a star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll move up to 44, finish off with a 72. If you don't know how to use the torque wrench, as soon as it clicks, you've hit your torque spec. Don't keep cranking because you'll go past it. There was the click. Click, Click. 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 Then it'll just be repeat for your other torque specs. Like I said, the next one will be 44, then you'll go up to 72. Now that you've went through all 3 stages of your torque specs, time to put on your finishing cover. So just like it was before, it'll be your 5mm Allen key bolts.
Or 5.5.
Or 5.5, depending.
Right, so once you've completed your visual inspection on your VX meter, you're going to need to fill out a form in KPA. So this will work from your desktop on your computer, or it'll work the same from your phone. When you open up the phone app, just go ahead and hit website, and then you'll get this exact same screen. So then you're going to come over to forms. You're going to scroll down until you get to VX forms. You'll click on that folder. And then you're going to go ahead and click on a VX meter visual inspection, and you'll go ahead and start filling it out. So you'll capture the date and time, who you are. If there's a job number, you're going to click the VX number. You'll put in the source serial number. If you need to do a survey, you can do it there. All right, you're going to go ahead and check off what you need to right here, make sure everything's good. And then once you've taken those pictures of your ceramic windows, you'll go ahead and add those as well right here. If you have any questions about your torque specs, you can pull up the torque specs right here by clicking on this picture, and it'll tell you that your first step is 22 foot-pounds, your next is 45, then your next is 72, and then it shows you your torque specs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you get that done, if you have any questions or there's any concerns with the meter, you can go ahead and add a follow-up right here and then click submit.